So I'm going to show you today how to make square corners. So we're going to make like a small little pin cushion. So to do that, we're going to need to make a little opening here in our two squares. These are 4x4 squares. We're going to have a little opening, and then we'll turn each corner on our sewing machine as we go. I'm going to use about 1/4 inch seam allowance, which is typically like this first line or right here on the edge of the foot. I'm going to go forward, and then I'm going to do my back stitch button here. Then I'm going to continue forward until I kind of eyeball it as to what it would be, maybe 1/4 inch. I'm going to make sure my needle's down. And now if my needle was up, I would take my hand wheel over here and move it towards my body until my needle was where it needed to be. Now I'm going to lift my presser foot, turn my fabric, put my presser foot down, and keep going. So I'll sew all the way across again. So see here, you can see my needle is up. I'm going to put my hand wheel towards my body so my needle goes down, lift my presser foot, turn my fabric. Okay, now when I get to this last corner, I'll turn, and then I'm going to just sew to where I had my original pin. Now I'm going to take my square, I'm going to cut my corners. Then I'll take it, and where I left my cute little opening, I'll just turn it right side out, like this. Push those corners out. So I have this cute little square. And then I can take some fiberfill or stuffing of some sort and stuff my little pin cushion. And I'm going to stuff each of my little corners here. So I have kind of a fluffy little pillow. And then I can either put this on my machine and sew it closed, or I can hand sew it closed. It's kind of up to you. But you'll notice how I have these nice sharp corners. I could even get them more sharp, just kind of wiggling it out, or putting like a wooden dowel or something in there so that they come out nice and sharp. But makes it for the perfect little pillow or any other project you need good corners.